One plant creates endless fertilizer, triple your harvest naturally. So, get this. There's a plant in your backyard that could totally change the way you garden forever. It has the power to turn ordinary water into a nutrient-rich elixir that feeds your soil, boosts plant growth, and honestly, just keeps your garden thriving. For centuries, farmers and gardeners swore by it. Then, for reasons no one really talks about, it just kind of fell out of use. Today, it's almost forgotten, but the truth is, it works so well that your soil might never need synthetic fertilizer again. How one plant can transform your garden. This isn't a myth or a gimmick. Certain plants naturally concentrate nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in their leaves and stems. When these plants are broken down and diluted in water, they release these nutrients in a form plants can immediately use. You're essentially turning a single plant into liquid gold for your garden. Unlike chemical fertilizers, it works gently and naturally, feeding both the plants and the soil microbes that make gardens resilient. The magic, really, lies in the plant's ability to capture nutrients from the soil, air, and sunlight, and store them in a concentrated form. Once brewed into a liquid, these nutrients are, well, instantly bioavailable. That means, faster growth, healthier leaves, stronger stems, and more fruitful harvests. Your soil gets revitalized without the harsh chemicals that deplete it over time. Making the fertilizer at home is, honestly, pretty straightforward, but the results are impressive. Start by harvesting fresh, healthy leaves. The more nutrient-rich the plant, the more powerful your fertilizer will be. Chop the leaves into small pieces and place them in a bucket. For every kilogram of chopped leaves, add 10 liters of water, cover the mixture, and let it sit for 7 to 10 days. Stir daily to encourage fermentation. You'll notice a strong, earthy smell. This is normal. Once the mixture has fully fermented, strain the liquid. This is your concentrated fertilizer. For safe application, dilute it before use. Mix 1 part of the concentrate with 10 parts of water. Apply it directly to the soil around your plants, or use it as a foliar spray to give leaves an instant nutrient boost. The results are visible within days: brighter green leaves, fuller flowers, and healthier vegetables. Why did we stop using it? The plant's fall from favor wasn't because it didn't work. In fact, it works remarkably well. The reasons are more complicated. As agriculture industrialized, chemical fertilizers became the standard. They were easier to mass produce, easier to store, and marketed as scientific solutions. Traditional plant-based fertilizers were dismissed as old-fashioned or unprofitable. There's also, an overlooked factor here. Chemical companies have a financial interest in keeping natural fertilizers off the shelves. One plant that creates, endless liquid fertilizer really disrupts the need for those expensive chemical inputs. It's cheaper, safer, and honestly, better for the soil. But it just doesn't generate the profits that big agriculture relies on. Gardeners, unaware of its potential, gradually stopped using it, and over time, generations forgot its value. Boosting soil life alongside plant growth is, honestly, one of the most remarkable benefits of this plant-based fertilizer. Unlike synthetic alternatives, which can, kill beneficial microbes, this liquid actually encourages microbial activity. Healthy microbes break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and create a structure that retains water and resists compaction. Essentially, your garden starts to care for itself. The plants grow stronger, resist pests naturally, and your soil becomes more fertile year after year. By using this method, you create a closed-loop system. Leaves and stems from your garden feed the soil, which in turn feeds your plants. It's a self-replenishing cycle that, really mimics nature. The difference between this approach and conventional gardening is, honestly, just staggering. With chemical fertilizers, soil can become exhausted and dependent, but with plant-based liquid fertilizers, soil health improves continuously, making your garden more resilient to drought, disease, and stress. Timing and application for maximum impact really matter. For leafy vegetables, use the fertilizer once every week or 10 days. For fruiting plants, apply it at the early stages of flowering and fruit formation. Always dilute before applying, because overconcentration can burn delicate roots or leaves. Use a watering can or sprayer for even coverage. Consistency is key here. Gardens respond best to regular feeding. Over time, you'll notice a reduced need for external inputs. Soil structure improves, microbial activity skyrockets, and plants seem almost magical in how fast they grow. It's not an overnight miracle, but with steady application, the results are undeniable. What makes this fertilizer safer than chemical alternatives is that, unlike synthetic fertilizers, this plant-based solution doesn't leach harmful chemicals into water systems. There's no risk of buildup of salts or heavy metals that can damage plants or contaminate food. It's safe for children, pets, and wildlife. And unlike compost, it's fast-acting. You don't need months of decomposition, just a week of fermentation and a simple dilution step before use. It's also adaptable. Different plants have slightly different nutrient profiles. By experimenting with a mix of nutrient-dense leaves, you can create a balanced fertilizer tailored to your garden's needs. This flexibility makes it ideal for small-scale gardeners who want to avoid rigid chemical schedules or expensive fertilizers. How to keep this knowledge alive? The irony is that one plant can sustain your garden almost indefinitely, yet the knowledge of how to use it has dwindled. By reviving this practice, gardeners can reclaim control over their soil fertility, share the method with friends, keep records of your applications and results, and observe how your garden transforms. Experimentation is encouraged. Different plants, different amounts of leaves, and varying fermentation times, well, they all produce slightly different results. Over time, you'll develop your own secret formula that works best for your particular soil type and climate. The key really is observation and consistency. Gardens respond beautifully to care and attention, especially when they're supported by natural fertilizers. This one-plant fertilizer is a prime example. It's simple, affordable, and honestly, endlessly renewable. With it, your soil stops being just a passive medium and becomes a living ecosystem that supports everything you plant. And the best part? You don't need to rely on any external inputs. You can actually produce nutrients right in your backyard, year after year. The secrets of this plant-based fertilizer are just waiting for you to rediscover them. Once you start using it, you'll honestly wonder why anyone ever stopped. You'll notice faster growth, stronger plants, and soil that just feels alive under your hands. Your garden will thank you, season after season. If you want your garden to thrive naturally, well, take action today. Harvest the right plant, ferment it properly, and just watch your garden transform into a self-sustaining paradise. And remember, share this knowledge. Tell your fellow gardeners, your neighbors, really anyone who wants to grow thriving, healthy plants without chemicals. So if you're ready to harness the power of nature and create soil that never stops giving, start your fermentation today. And don't forget to subscribe to Soilsage Chronicles for more tips, tricks, and secrets that'll make your garden flourish. Share this method and help keep the art of true soil stewardship alive.